Alright, that's a cool lick in the key of D. And the way you play it is it starts on the D string with a pluck. You get hammer 3/4, then an open G, O 1 2, then pull off on first fret of the B, back to the second fret of the G, then you're going to slide up to the third on high E string, so that's going second fret E, third fret B, open E, first fret B, then open E, like that. Then you get first fret B, second fret G, open B, pull off on the first fret of the G to get that nice bluesy inflection. Back to the third fret, which is also the third degree of the D minor scale. Slide up to the fourth. Open G. So you slide 3/4, open G, then pull off 2 3 open.